Once your boxes are produced by the automated box maker, the excess corrugated board must be removed from the glue tab before being placed into the automated box gluer. By simply bending and flexing the corrugated material and pulling it towards yourself, the excess glue tab material can be easily removed. The next step in preparing your box for gluing is measurement for glue placement. Fold over the panel with the glue tab and measure the starting and stopping points for the glue. These measurements can then be entered into the ABG. When measuring for glue placement, run your tape measure the width of the box as shown here. The start measurement for glue placement will be 4.25 inches. The stop measurement for glue placement will be 10 inches. Both measurements are 1/8 of an inch from the top and bottom of the glue tab as shown. You are now ready to enter the start and stop dimensions for gluing. The first value entered will be 4.25 inches on the start glue line. The second dimension entered will be 10.0 inches on the stop glue line. The Enter key will be pressed after each value is entered. To navigate between the start and stop lines, use the up and down arrows on the control pad. Dimensions entered will change with each new size of box being glued. Enter 4.25 on the start glue line, then press Enter. Down arrow to the stop glue line and enter 10.0, then press Enter. Press the Start button when you are ready to begin gluing boxes. The next step is to properly align the corrugated material for gluing. Place the board on the table and fold the glue tab panel over so that the top edge aligns with the white guide rail. Then adjust the black slide bar to meet the outer edge of your box. Next, fold the left panel over on top of the white guide rail. Notice some of the white guide rail is exposed. Finally, insert the box. This is the same alignment process as before. It is important to notice that the glue tab slides under the white guide rail and the left panel slides on top of the guide rail while being inserted into the ABG. This is an example of the full measurement, input, and alignment process for the ABG. Boxes may be entered into the ABG as quickly as the operator is capable of inserting material. The entire process, from insertion of material until it is removed from the ABG, is approximately 6 seconds. Once the box is inserted and glued, 4 sets of crush rollers firmly compress the glue tab and disperse the glue evenly along the glue tab. When the box is properly placed in the ABG, a firm and solid seam is created. No flagging or seeping of glue occurs, and your box is securely adhered for immediate use. Welcome to the T-ROC ABG training video. This video will show you the basic setup and operation of your new ABG. The first step of setting up your ABG is to plug your machine into a convenient outlet. Next, attach the air hose to the ABG and open the air valve. To start the glue pot, press the black main power switch to on. For the glue pump, press the white pump control switch to on. Next, check the set temperatures of the glue pot, the glue hose, and the glue nozzle by pressing each indicator. When pressed, the set temperature will display. When released, the current temperature will display. All set temperatures should be at 250 degrees. The glue pot will cycle through a short warm-up process to reach the required 250 degrees before box gluing may start. The flow control knob is found on the right side of the glue pot. By turning the flow control knob, you can control the amount of glue applied by the glue nozzle. After you have finished setting up, simply press the green start button to turn the ABG on. To stop the ABG, you simply push the red stop button. In case of an emergency, the emergency stop button can be pushed. Notice this shuts down the entire system. The input screen to the right has turned off. The system cannot be restarted without releasing the emergency stop button.